kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today we learn capital letters, alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name. Blue color, yellow color, black color, red color, yellow color, green color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids, first we draw A. A is for apple and use blue color. The alphabets of A. Kids, now draw B. B is for bus and use yellow ochre color. The alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C is for cat. The alphabets of C and use black color. The alphabets of C. Kids, now draw D. D is for dog. The alphabets of D and use red color. Kids, now draw E. E is for egg. The alphabets of E and use yellow color. Kids, now draw numbers and first we draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O-N-E 1. The numbers of 1. Kids, now draw 2. The numbers of 2 and use yellow ochre color. T-W-E 2. The numbers of 2. Kids, now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use black color. T-H-R-W 3. Kids, now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use red color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids, now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use yellow color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids, now draw shapes and first we draw a square. The shape of square and use blue color. The shape of square. It's now draw circle. The shape of circle and use yellow ochre color. Kids, now draw triangle. The shape of triangle and use black color. the shape of triangle. Kids neither heart, the shape of heart, and use red color. Red color. Kids neither Easter, the shape of Easter, and use yellow color. Yellow color, the shape of Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.